Oh, lordy, lordy, lordy. I just saw this beautiful behemoth not long ago from the scrap bus I was on. And here it is right here in all its splendor and partially lit and partially shadowed. The quintessential and iconic American 70s Ford LTD country. There's Mr. Bureau.
Bonjour, ça va?
Bonjour, Monsieur Bureau.
Ça va bien,
Ça
toi?
va bien, vous?
Hey!
All right.
Toujours à l'œuvre.
Ah, toujours, toujours. Là, je suis en train de faire des peintures pour les gens, pour leur voiture.
Oh, ça c'est bien.
Oh, yes. Very good. And the owner of this has this beautiful Mercedes that's also here. What is it? It's 260 SL. And guy's got good taste. Weird taste, but good taste. And I don't know if I'll ever see another country Squire with wide white walls on it. Oh, I'm really glad this is here. And you know what the funny thing is? I'd love to meet the owner of this car because I think I know the guy who restored this car. And he's a specialist in Citroëns. Everybody's gawking over this Beetle here. What's with all the brand new tires there? Look at that! It even has the extra seats for the kiddies in the back here. That's cool. Oh, it's 77. Man, that's so cool to see that because I've never filmed one of these, and I've mentioned before in a couple of Ford LTD videos I filmed from the 70s. You never see these cars; they all rusted into the ground. They never of them survived, let alone these wagons. And actually, and this guy I filmed actually a few weeks back. But anyway, I remember the time my family and I in '89 or '90 we went to Washington D.C. with the '79 Delta 88 that I loved and turned me on to classic cars. And anyway, so you know we're going down on I-87 I think it was, and the freaking wheel broke off. So at that point my parents were like, well, what do we do? Do we go back home to Montreal? Or do we continue on to Washington, D.C.? So we went, so what happened was we were picked up at the garage where we were at, and somewhere in New York State. And what comes to pick us up? Exactly this, a white country Squire with the coffee and cream colored interior. And yeah, that was, oh, look at this, it's got the original dealer sticker on there. Oh, wow, sold in Nova Scotia.
Sideways?
Macaulay's.
This way.
No, some of them were either way.
Yeah, some of them had it.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. They would call it a third row seat, but you're right. It would be facing the rear tailgate here. But some of them were like this too, as well.
Yeah, you had some that were facing.
But then again, I'm wondering if maybe these were actually a Ford thing. I don't know.
Yeah, because I remember. I used to fit like my cousins, all four of us, back like in the side.
Well, you see, that's why we love all these old cars because they all have their characters. You know, there's such today everything is so cheap and boring and colorless.
Two of them like that.
Two of them.
And
well, you must be from the suburbs like me then.
Yeah, we're from the suburbs.
Well, there you go. Because it's not.
Like I think we had one that was brown, and then.
The gentleman who has this, he actually lives like a stone throw away from here.
I think it was. Yeah, is like fix it again, Tony.
Yeah, or fix it again Thursday, fix it again Tuesday.
Yeah, one of those.
No, I wish the owner was here because I'm pretty sure I know the guy who restored this car. That's what's funny about it.
Not here. I thought you were.
No. Oh no, I'm just a fanatic.
Okay.
Enthusiast.
My dad likes the old cars too. He's very good at the cars.
Well, you know.
I do like the old cars.
For good reason, you know.
Yeah.
Right. Sure.
Nice meeting you, though.
You too. Take care, eh? Enjoy the show.
Black on black.
No, that's amazing.
Cape Breton, Nova Scotia.
Hey?
It's from Nova Scotia.
Yeah, I noticed that too. Good eye.
Well, I'm from there.
Well, it's but you have a good eye because the frickin' tag is all faded.
Oh well.
You know, and it's also unusual it comes from there because that's also part of the Rust Belt, just like Quebec. You know what I mean? Yeah. But it was restored. This car.
Yeah, I restored it.
It is. Oh, this is very interesting. What is this plate he has? Oh, that's the original. That's the original plate the car had. But where is Mr. Owner? Well, anyway, guys, thanks for watching.